Hello students, welcome to InstaOut's science class. We believe in democratizing education for all. Students, we have already seen that reproduction helps living beings produce new individuals. But these new individuals aren't always exact copies. They may look similar, but there are always some small differences. These differences are called variations. Variation is the difference in characters or traits among the individuals of a species, which may arise through inheritance or new genetic changes. And it is these variations that slowly build up over generations to bring diversity to a species. Now, the amount of variation depends on how reproduction happens. In asexual reproduction, such as in bacteria, the offspring are almost identical to the parent. The only source of difference here is small errors during DNA copying. These tiny changes add up generation after generation, which slowly makes the organism more different over time. But when reproduction happens sexually, there is a much higher level of variation. This is because two parents are involved and their genes combine in new ways. So, every new organism formed is a unique mix of traits from both parents. What exactly are traits? Traits are specific characteristics or features like eye color, height, or the shape that are passed from parents to offspring. Now, take a look at this diagram. This diagram shows how variation builds up. The parent organism reproduces to form two individuals that are almost identical but with slight differences. When we reproduce again, the next generation inherits differences from the previous one and gains new changes of its own. These tiny differences accumulate over time, and the organisms in the third level look even more different from each other. This is called the accumulation of variation. So, what's the advantage of these variations? Let's say the environment changes suddenly, like a heat wave. All the organisms will not survive equally, but those that happen to carry a variation that helps them withstand heat will survive and reproduce, while others may not. This is how variation becomes a key to survival. It gives different organisms different advantages. Depending on the surroundings, certain variations help individuals do better than others. Over time, this selection by nature forms the basis for evolution. Through accumulation of variations, nature keeps life flexible, adaptable, and ready for change. Now, let's summarize the key points with the help of InstaLights. First, we learned about variations in reproduction where small differences create diversity. Then we explored asexual reproduction and its limitations, with offspring being nearly identical. Next, we covered sexual reproduction and greater variation, where offspring have unique trait combinations. Finally, we discussed the advantage of variations in survival and evolution, where variations help survival and lead to evolution. Stay tuned for more updates from InstaOwl. Bye!